How to create Netflix account in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're an iPhone user looking to dive into the world of Netflix but don't know how to set up your account, then you're in the right place. So you cannot do it from the Netflix app, so you'll need to go to your Google Chrome browser and any other browser and then type in Netflix and then tap on the link. You will see a email address option, so tap on it and put in your email address and then hit get started. Now here you'll see finish setting up your account, so you'll need to tick on please do not email me Netflix special offers and then tap on send link. Now what you need to do is you can see that Netflix has sent a sign up link to your email address, so you can either tap the link in the email to finish setting up your account or you can create password instead. So I'll tap on create password instead and then here add a strong password. So hit next. Now here Netflix asks you to choose your plan, so hit next and then here you can see mobile, basic, standard or premium plan. So now you can choose the plan according to your budget and then put in your payment details, and that's it. Your Netflix is all set up. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.